Hello friends, this video on weather, climate and adaptations part 3 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Rainfall. So these are some of the important elements of weather. So when we want to define the weather for a particular day, we should talk about the temperature, rainfall, humidity, wind speed and clouds for that particular day. Now, what causes change in weather? Because we have seen that the weather changes from day to day on day-to-day basis. So today's weather and tomorrow's weather are different. So what brings about this change in weather? So weather can even change over short periods of time, because the term weather is only applicable for the atmospheric conditions of a particular day. Now again, the next day the clouds might disappear, the next day it might rain heavily, the next day might be sunny. So it can change over very short periods of time. In fact, not only days, sometimes it also happens that during the morning the temperature is more. Not sometimes, in fact all the days you would have seen that the afternoons are hotter than mornings or nights. Correct? Because there is a change in temperature even within couple of hours. Similarly, sometimes it rains in the evening, but the mornings are like quite sunny. So again, that is a change in weather even within a couple of hours. So this tells you that how weather can change even within a few hours. Morning 6 o'clock it was like quite bright and sunny. By afternoon 3 it became almost cloudy and it started raining as well. So that's how weather changes. It changes over very short periods. Now, when we talk about change in weather, so we also want to see what causes the change of seasons. Now, have you noticed that the weather changes during different seasons? The summer seasons, it's like the temperature is very high, you feel hot. It's heat everywhere, less rainfall. So that's how summer seasons are. When you compare it with the winter season, where not too much of heat, you do not feel hot, instead you feel cold. Rainfall, again, it's not really necessary that there will be too much of rainfall, but the temperature changes drastically. So there are many different seasons. So for example, if you talk about the spring season, in India we have spring season somewhere around March to May. Spring season, which is followed by the summer season when you have when the temperature is quite high. Now this summer season again is followed by the monsoon, when you have too much of rainfall. So a lot of rainfall, and again this also lasts for 2 to 3 months from July to September. This monsoon in turn is followed by the autumn season, and autumn is the season when there is a lot of leaves falling off the trees. So that's the autumn season, and it comes just before winter arrives. And finally you have the winter season, when the temperature is very low, you feel cold, you wear sweaters and jackets to keep yourself safe. So that's the winter season. So in all these different seasons, you see one or the other element of weather changes. For example, if you talk about a specific element of weather, say temperature. So temperature during spring season would be moderate. During summer, it would be high. During autumn, again, it would be kind of moderate. During monsoon, the temperature might be low, because there is a lot of rainfall and sometimes it cools the environment. And during winter, the temperature is very low. So you see, any particular element of weather shows variations during different seasons. If you talk about rainfall, so rainfall will be maximum during monsoon, but there might be no rainfall during summer season. So each of the elements of weather, whether you talk about rainfall or temperature or pressure or clouds, so all of these changes in different seasons. Thank you. Please visit www.examfear.com to watch more educational videos with a better experience. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you once again.